We are pleased to show you the 2016 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear window defroster, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, traction control, brake assist, electronic stability control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.